Welcome to English Made Easy. Today, we're diving into the world of verbs with ing, when, and how to use them correctly. First, what is a verb with ing? When we add ing to the base form of a verb, like walk becomes walking or eat becomes eating, it becomes either a gerund or a present participle. Gerund is verb plus ing used as a noun. Present participle is verb plus ing used as part of a verb or adjective. Some verbs are followed directly by another verb in the ing form. These include enjoy, avoid, suggest, finish, and more. Examples: she enjoys reading. He avoids driving at night. Always use the ing form of a verb after a preposition. Example: I'm interested in learning French. When a verb is the subject or object, use the ing form. Example: swimming is good exercise. Be careful. Some verbs change spelling when adding ing. 1. Drop the e, make making, drive driving. 2. Double the final consonant if the verb is one syllable and ends in consonant vowel. Consonant: run, running, sit, sitting. 3. If a verb ends in ie, change it to y, die, dying, lie, lying. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. For more videos, subscribe our channel.